Haka khat Patrick ubenai nai wing ka Nongstoin District Sport Association NDSA kaliyo ban penha perdano ikelumpung ilekai football First Division League Football Tournament arjar khat khandai. Haka baka kenhun ilekai jung kamawa football club kaliyo ban khori ke jing job ban nam ladu. Shushu ah basaki ketek jing ilekai final haka tega sngi ya nam tam jong kamawa FC kala long hadien bakala la ban penlimno da arkol la shikol ya ka open new Nongstoin haka jing ilekai final ke balong hamadan NDSA nong pendeng. Haka tega sngi ka nam best goalkeeper layo ban khordu yai bok lingkhoi naka Maular Chong Sport Club. Emerging player layo ban khodu Edison Lingkhoi naka Mokwa Football Club. Top scorer Wan Bante Lingkhoi naka Mokwa Football Club. Badika nam best player layo ban khodu Penskem Jana naka Open New Nongstoin. Haka tegesngi UMDC Karambrai ba baja pengrop lolong kumbu kongsan. Haka jingdan langru ba On Gordon Marngar General Secretary ke NDSA Dr. LL Mausor Chairman Tournament Committee ba Jis Imle Secretary Tournament Committee ke NDSA kirirong ba kinong ilam jeng club baper berkiwi ki belasam ru ikusnam.
Reigning talent do jersey nomor 10.